Okay, so from the last class, we tried to style the heading. These were the things that we did. Okay. Okay. I will give you some links at the end of the day. I'll give you some links. Okay. But this is, we are learning together, but I'll give you some also links so that you can also follow that one to do. Okay. Right. That one is not the problem. Okay. So let's quickly concentrate on what we are supposed to do. We can see any writing, anything, so that we can concentrate. So let's see. So I have started. This is the live server, and it's going to open for me. The live server is such that you, whenever you make changes, you don't need to go and refresh the browser. It automatically refreshes itself and incorporates new changes. Okay, so that is how the live server works. So we will see it very soon. See Jerry's go. See that started with the index.html. Okay, this is what we did in the last class, right? So we are trying to style this one, arrange it here. Okay, so let's quickly go. I will open my start. I will go to CSS. Okay, I'll close the images. The CSS, we still in the nav. Okay, we set clear both. So we will give the nav UL, can give it maybe width of 90%. We want it to take exactly 90%. Okay, but you will not see anything there. So what we will do here is we copy this one. I don't want to be typing much. Then we'll come here, paste, close this one. I will do this. What it means here is that we want to get the list items. We want to float them. So we will say float left. Okay, float left. When I save now, I refresh the browser. See all the content. So let's see if you're not getting the nav class is equal to nav u. This is, it should be UL, not U. See, the problem is this one. That's where the problem is. Can you see that? Can you see that? Sir. I made the, instead of UL, I made it U. That's why everything is underlined. You see that it's not supposed to be U, but rather UL. Okay, so I make it UL here. So Control S to save and refresh the browser. Now you see, we didn't even refresh, but it was able to automatically style it for us. Okay. Now what we will do here is that if we go to the heading, the header, we floated. Where is the header? The header, we gave it padding. Okay. We didn't give the, we can give it margin. Okay. We will give it width first. So width of 95% of the container. Let's see. Okay, you know, there will not be any changes. So what we do here, we will say margin. The margin is going to control the, we want to center it. So we say margin 0 pixel auto. What it means here is that we want to, we are saying that 0 pixels from the top and 0 pixels down, bottom, and but auto. Auto means just take the left and the right, divide it to and position the item in the middle. So you see now that the nav is now positioned in the middle. Okay, so we can give it height. Let me give it here. Okay, height of maybe 180 pixels. Yes. This would be cool. It's not okay. This is okay. We can decide to, let's make it 200. Save, come back. Okay. Then it means we need to style this. We say, okay, margin of 10 pixels, right? Okay, still there's, okay. We'll give margin of 10 pixels. And apart from the margin, now we want to remove list style item, list style type, okay? This list style type, this is what I mean here. You see these dots, we want them to go, we didn't need them. So what we say, list style type, let's go to none, okay? And save, go back, see it's gone now. Then here we will give some padding. Padding 10 pixels, 30 pixels. When I give two values, it means the top and the bottom should be 10 pixels. The left and the right should be 30 pixels. So if I refresh and come back to see, now we are getting this. Let's see. So let's give some padding to the list items, okay? No padding left. When I give padding, it means padding top, padding bottom, padding left, and padding right. So I say padding of 10 pixels. 10 pixels, save it, refresh, okay. So now we can see the links are now okay. What we have to do is to try to put it in the center, okay? How do you push it to the center? Here we can just give margin left to our lists. Margin left, or we can say margin.
What Tyro? He's arranged a Zoom meeting.
What? Mr. Siraj?
Yes, how are you, sir? Fine.
Fine, how are you also?
Alhamdulillah, fine, Alhamdulillah. I was having class, but I saw this, so I opened.
No, this is the time, the period of computer, right?
I have class at AB.
This is
nice. For all teachers or this is for all teachers or for computer teachers?
This is for this is computer science class.
Okay, sorry. I think that this is you are waiting for the teachers.
Okay, no
okay,
problem.
Sorry.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, can we go ahead now?
Yes, sir.
So here if we give margin of auto, okay, you see the content is still not shifting. So what we can do here is that we say margin left, okay, of maybe 20%. Let's give it 20%, so that it will shift 20% to shift it to Let's see if it will center it for us. Yes, you see now it has centered it. It has shifted it to the center. Is this okay? Is this
Yes, sir.
okay?
But sir, why we are not raising the main content here and footer content here?
Why are we doing what?
Sir, the main content here, sir. We
Yeah,
should
that.
raise it, sir.
Yeah, it's just a placeholder. We will finish when we finish with the header. We will come to the main content. You remember when we are doing the HTML, we set everything. See this one. This is for the main content. That's where we put everything. And this is a footer here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So our aim is not about this one. We are only thinking about how to style the heading. Okay, so which we are doing now, right? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to the style again. If we want, we can also give let's give a border, okay, border of 0.5 pixel, solid, light, gray. Okay, let's see if this is working. This is looking weird. We can just remove, let's say, light blue and see. What color did we give to the light blue? Let's give this color. Well, let's check the color we gave to the heading. This is the second color. Let's check this one. It will be okay for us. Instead of gray, I'll give this. Save, Control S, come back. It's not showing. Yeah, so there should be this. Come back. Okay. So we can just give them border radius. Border radius of 5 pixels. Then we can give box shadow. Box shadow, maybe 3 pixels. Solid, 3 pixels. 3 pixels. 2 pixels. 4
Sir,
pixels.
you wrote 3x.
What?
You wrote 3x.
Okay, I'll change it. 1 pixel. Then I'll give RGBA, okay? RGBA of this. Let's see. This is not looking good. RGBA, this one should be 0. Right? Is this cool, or we should give
No, sir. No, like this, it's good.
this is okay?
Yes.
We can shift, we can increase this one to, let's say, 5 and see. Right, it's going down more. Like I told you how to get the box shadow generator. You can generate it manually. There you pick it and come copy and paste it here. Let me make this one maybe 3. This one should be maybe 2. Okay. Now what we will do here is that we will try to give, we gave margin auto. Let me remove this and see. Okay. So we are getting there. So we will go to the heading. Header. We will give it a padding of 10 pixels. Padding of let me give this. Let me give padding left. Padding bottom of 30 pixels. so that it will override the 10 pixels. So this is some kind of code. So what we will add now here is that we want to change the color, the text color of the lists. Okay, we say color. We'll give color of F6, F4, F5. So the text color will be some kind of white. Okay. So now in actual sense, what's supposed to be is that if you look at this, what's supposed to be is that the color, the text, the colors, everything should be, you should design the site before you start working on it. But I think this is okay. We can just continue with this. One thing we must add is to add the over property there. So let's add over property. You can add over it. What do we want? What do we want it to do? Okay. So I'll say over. You know this already. Pseudo class. We want to target the background. Okay. We want to target the background color. Okay. The background color, we will make it same color as what we have. Or maybe we can just fade it. Or if we over it, we'll give background color of, let's give same color as this. Yes. Okay, paste it here. Then the color of the text should change back to the color of the background of the header. Okay, this one. So that if you over it, this is what we are going to get. Then come here, see that. Can you see that, boys? So we can also change the outline. We can change the outline. Okay, the border color. This border color we give, we can remove it or change it and give it this. Then we'll change this one. Copy this one and change it. Here, paste, save, come back. Okay. And that is not looking. So this 1 pixel, 0.5 pixel, we can give it 3 pixels. So refresh. Okay. Okay, this is okay. Let's see if we can change some values of the padding. The padding is 15:1. So let's make it 10. Okay, so this will look good. Okay, now what we want to add here is we want to add some social links here. Okay, we will add it inside the header. We will come to the content, so let's not think about it. Okay, we can decide to remove also the outline of, let's give outline of none. Okay, then the border. This border, let's see. Let me remove the border and see. Save. Okay, this is okay. It's better to get to remove the. So let's remove the border from the main list here. Save now. Now let's come back to the HTML. Inside here, here we can decide. We can decide to put this one in a div, okay? Then we put another list item here. You can say UL, then I'll say lists. Okay, we will give list items. We would want to give list item. I'll copy this, paste it, paste, 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 paste. No. Here we will have to have. We'll put our font awesome there. Okay, so say font awesome. Sorry. Say I. Paste. Okay, so here we'll not put anything, we'll only put classes, okay? Then we will use Font Awesome. Font Awesome allow us to use some icons, okay? If we want to get this Font Awesome, we can search for CDN, the CSS of this. So you can say Font Awesome CDN. CDN means Content Delivery Network. Okay, so this CDN allow, you see these icons, the Twitter, these icons that you see, they are from one Font Awesome. Okay, so let's try to see if we can get, let's try to get it from W3C. Search. Okay, so this is Font Awesome. We will get the CDN. This is the CDN. The CDN is like also a style sheet for Font Awesome that allows you, okay, that allows you to be able to use this kind of fonts. So I will come to my file, go to here, okay, and where I link the CSS, I'll put this also CSS there. Control S. Then when I come here, what am I going to get? So here I will say class. I will say FA Facebook. So it will give us Facebook icon. You should be having internet to be able to do that. If I come back to my browser, I see I've gotten the Facebook icon there. See that? Okay. Can you see the Facebook icon there?
We have another period.
Yeah, okay. So inshallah next week we will start to style this.
Sir, what about the exam?
What?
What about the exam?
There will not be exam of computer. I'll just test you in the class, okay?
Okay.
I know what to do. Don't expect anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See you. Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Salam alaikum.